Time frame. Okay, so if, everybody's, I don't have time, I can't decide right now, whatever. First one is your presentation. People won't sit through a presentation that's not engaging, so make sure your presentation's on point, it's got good flow. Okay? Other one is maybe if they're actually just saying like, I can't decide right now, I don't have enough time, you can do information kits. So give them information or do subject to. You don't have to tell me now, tell me on delivery, tell me on the phone. The other big one actually for time frame is the way you're introducing yourself, or they are. If you're saying we're just going to be a few minutes, few minutes to them could mean 3, 4, 5 minutes. A few minutes to you means 45. So make sure your intro is proper. We'll be in my office, or we have to go through some stuff for maybe 20, 30 minutes, whatever it's going to be, but just don't say things that really aren't true about time frame.